welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you something crazy. This is the first generation Pixel 1 from Google. It's almost 10 years old and right now it's running Claude Code. Why I do this is simply because I don't have the budget to buy a Mac Mini or a Raspberry Pi. Take a look at the specs of the Pixel 1, it's not bad. It has 4 GB of memory, has a first generation Snapdragon. I just tried if it's running Claude Code, and after testing it's actually running. How does it work? Because essentially Android system is built on Linux, but Google, when developing the system, it locked down all the CLI authorities so in order to run it, you need to have a app called Termux. Now let's show you exactly how I did it. First of all, you need to download the Termux APK file. My suggestion is not go to the Google App Store because that version is out of date. Instead, download it from F-Droid. It's an app store for open source Android apps. So then search for Termux inside F-Droid. Directly go to here. Download the APK from here. Ta-da! Now you have a terminal running on your Android phone. So when you open the Termux, you'll see a black terminal. That's your Linux environment. So it's equal to the system running on any Linux machine. Okay, now let's update the system. So it will automatically searching for the fastest mirror depending your location and the internet connection. Okay. Well, that's too hard. I will switch to the terminal because I'm using a Android Studio. Okay, now the Node version pops out. And let me check if the npm version is okay. Now the next step is very important. We have to install the Claude Code, this specific version. Version 2.1.112. That's the version we want. Okay, now it's magic time. See? Now Anthropic. First of all, search the dark mode. Now let's log into Claude Code. The first time you log in, it will ask you which way will use the token. If you already have a Claude Code Pro, just authorize it via the command. You need to have open the browser, give the authority to that. The second option is use the API key, which will burn the tokens in your account. I don't suggest you to use the API key because it's expensive, and don't ask how I learned that. I just paid the Pro plan, $20 per month. Believe me, that's worth it. Authorize. Go back to terminal. Now, ask Claude Code to write a hello word. Python hello world. Python is not installed, so Claude Code will automatically install. Now let's run it again. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So in order to finish the task, which you ask Claude Code to run a Python script, it will automatically set up all the environments that is needed. So that's the power of an agent. You give it a task, it will automatically figure out how to finish the task. So in this scenario, I just installed a new Linux terminal. It doesn't have a Python environment. When I ask the Claude Code to write a Python script and run it for me, it find out that there is no Python environment. So it automatically asks if I want to install the Python environment. I said yes. So it's automatically install all the Python pipe. After that, it will run the Python script again. Now let's see. Okay, now it's the hello world. The Python 3.13 is now installed and working. So the power of agent is that it not just answer your questions, it can do the task, find solutions for you. Now I have successfully installed this Claude Code on my phone. So I turned a 10-year-old Pixel into a Claude Code terminal. If you have an old phone in your drawer, I highly recommend it to try it. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments below. And thanks for your watching. I will see you next time.